Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking or welcome if you're new here. My name is Bertha and I come about God, love, education, lifestyle issues, basically gospel content. Guys, I feel like this very video is long overdue. I should have shot this video like months ago, but I'm here doing it now. Guys, engage because this is a very key video. Okay, guys, yeah, even if I say so myself. Anyways, you guys, if you watched the video where I went to the Great Hall for my NSS briefing, you understand where I mentioned I'm confused. I didn't know what to do, where to do my NSS. It was a whole lot, guys. It was a whole lot. I won't lie. Anyways, I digress. Okay, in today's video, I am going to educate you guys on the information that NSS is going to require from you into their portal before you are placed. All right. So without much ado, let's jump right into this video. Welcome back. Welcome back. All right. So I remember at the time a year ago, we were given a link where you tap on the link. It takes you to the NSS portal NSS gov.gh. I'm going to struggle to remember some of the things now, but we logged in with our email address and password. I'm going to clarify whether it was our school email address or personal email address. Okay, on the screen. So when you click on the link and you are there, the first thing you're going to see is applicant information. Okay, so personal information, then we have your PIN beginning with alphabet. Okay, then your surname, your other names, then your gender, male or female, right? Then your date of birth. So it goes like this: your day, the month, and the year. Then you insert your Ghana GPS digital address. Okay, so if you don't know, guys, we're fine. Okay, moving on. Then your residential region, Greater Accra, BC region, any region you are in. Then your personal mobile number, your personal email, yeah. Then your marital status: single, married, divorced, widowed. Okay, I don't know if they have that options. It's been a long time, so yeah. Then we have guardian information. Your guardian information, as in their name, their email address, and their number. Okay, in my case, I use my mom. This one is the next of kin. Their name, their telephone number, and their relationship. I used my sister. Guys, if you're ready to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. Let's keep growing. Okay, then the next one is employment history and other informations. You are going to answer yes or no here. Are you currently working or on steady leave? Yes or no. Do you have any health condition? Yes or no. Do you have military training? Have you done service before? All the rest I've mentioned so far, they have asterisks there, which means that they are mandatory for you to enter. But this very one, it has trousers length, trousers waist, skirt neck, skirt size. I left it blank. It's not mandatory for me to enter, so I left it. Then you go to select in order of priority the region you wish to be considered for national service posting. So we have region 1, region 2, region 3. So you can choose Greater Accra, Eastern region, Northern region, depending on your preference again and your location as well. Then moving on, we go to local language. You take the boxes. Okay, we have 10 local languages here. I'm going to leave the information here on the screen for you so you see. Now, how many of these can you read? How many can you speak? How many can you write? International language is the next one. There are 8 languages in number: English, French, Portuguese. I'm going to leave it here, like I said once again. Then, how many can you read for the international language as well? Now, how many can you speak? How many can you write? Yeah. At this point, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Let's navigate this together and share this video to people who will need this video. Then we go to select service options: agriculture, business, community health, education support, military, educational support, military service, the rural development, urban sanitation, um, traffic management, public administration. Yeah, so those are the selected service options that you have. So they do all these things to be able to meet your need and your preference so that they will know where to place you, that you can be effective, you know, doing your service. All right. Then moving on, We have industrial preferences, service options. So we have service option one, service option two. So do you prefer private, military? Then you select the sector preference, education, service option. Okay. Do you have a desire to do your national service in the education sector? Yes or no? So in this category as well, we're going to answer yes or no. And moving on, do you want to receive training to become a provisional language teacher? Yes or no? Guys, see, this process for me was overwhelming because I was contemplating on doing service at my parents' workplace or doing it with the people, with the non-governmental organization I was working with. I work with Right to Play and Right to Dream as and when they need me. And yeah, so I wanted to use the opportunity to, do my service there so that, if you do your service at a higher institution, it adds to your um, academic credentials, right? Yeah, so I wanted that, but that never happened. And yeah, it was a whole lot, guys. Maybe I should do a personal story time. Okay, with that, I digress. Okay, all right. Moving on, do you want to be deployed to teach in senior high school as a provisional licensed teacher? So when you are done with this, um, you either go back or you submit your registration. Now, confirm registration submission. Before you confirm, they tell you these things. You are about to submit your registration. Kindly note that any information provided cannot be changed. Guys, take note, cannot be changed. This is one of the reasons why I was so confused. It took me time to um, enter this information, guys. Guys, be sure of what you want to do. All right, so moving on, cannot be changed after the form has been submitted. So you submit your form and you print. Now, when you submit it, it says applicant information. They congratulate you for applying. Then they give you your NSS PIN that you use to access or track your registration. Okay, basically, you can log into your personal dashboard and PIN code profile to check status of your enrollment. So once you're done applying, then you can go to your dashboard to go and see the information that you have on there. Now, if you go to your professional dashboard, this is what you're going to see. General information area. They're going to welcome you. Then your basic information that you entered, your personal name, your institution, the University of Ghana. Now, all institutions are applying to the same portal, right? So it's going to indicate your institution, the course of study, NSS number, the new one, password, then the enrollment status, there which says that registration completed, awaiting posting. Then your contact information, your telephone number as well. The informations are lengthy. You have to go through all this. Then you have to wait for them to post you based on the information you have given. So basically, this is the information that NSS is going to require from you to post you to your service station. All right. With this, I've come to the end of my video. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you guys in my next one. Bye.